Okay, you're scanning YouTube looking for side hustles, way to make money. I urge you to watch this video all the way through. And the reason I urge you to do that is because I'm about to lay on you my exact business. I'm going to hand it to you on a silver platter. And this is the business that took me from a stupid wage slave truck driver to being wealthy. Now, what I want to emphasize to you here is this business model requires very, very little work on your part. The other thing that's great about it is you're not going to pay any money out of pocket for support services. You're not going to pay huge amounts of money for web hosting and all of these other payment processing things. It's all of that stuff can eat you alive. Yes, you will pay fees for certain things, but you will only pay them when you make a huge profit. So it won't be painful. In other words, this is going to be zero risk. You're not going to have to put up a lot of upfront money. The other thing is, I'm going to do 90% of the work for you. And I'm going to show you how to do what I did step by step by step by step. Now, I'm thoroughly convinced if I can do it, you can do it. It's not rocket surgery. Look at me. I'm an old geezer. I grew up before computers existed. You don't have to be computer savvy. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to be money-making savvy. All you have to do is put in a little bit of effort on a daily basis. When I say a little bit of effort, I'm talking about maybe 3 hours a week. I don't think I work more than that, and I make money. Now, when I say make money, let me show you exactly what I mean. Here we go. All right. What I'm showing you right now is my actual income. This is my Stripe account. You're looking behind the scenes. I don't like to show this to people, but I'm showing it to you now. This kind of money comes in every day, every week, every month, every year, and it has been for the past 10, 15 years or something like that. This is not a fly-by-night situation. This is a long-term business. So what I want you to do is go to thekinghumanelite.com, and when you get there, I want you to enter promo code SUPERDEAL10 in all caps. And that's going to get you access to my tutorials where you're going to learn exactly everything I do. You will be able to do this. This is not complicated. This is easy. Just take it step by step. It's not going to cost you a lot of money, and my training is not going to cost you a lot of money. You're going to get this very, very cheaply. This is really, really a special situation. Again, thekinghumanelite.com, enter promo code SUPERDEAL10, the number 10, 10, on checkout, and you will get a $10 discount, and that's going to make this so cheap for you, and you're going to get that discount for life. So there it is, guys. Do it, don't do it. It's entirely up to you. I don't want to waste your time or my time if you're not interested. This is for serious people only. And why do I say that? Don't bother doing this if you're not super interested in making passive income online. And the reason I'm telling you not to bother is because I give out my personal contact information. I am here to help you one-on-one with free one-on-one coaching if you need it. Nobody else does that. Nobody will do that. Go ask any other online guru to help you one-on-one for free and see what they tell you. They'll laugh in your face. So when you go see what I'm up to, when you go see what I'm doing, you will understand that my primary purpose is to help you, not to make a lot of money for myself. I'm set. I'm good. My goal, and it may sound corny to you, but my goal right now is to try and help as many people as I can become independent and self-empowered before I have to leave this planet. Does that make sense to you? Maybe it doesn't. I don't know, but that's the way it is. So do it, don't do it. Again, thekinghumanelite.com, and the promo code to get the special discount to this training is SUPERDEAL and the number 10, all caps. All right, there it is, guys. Maximum respect. All the best. Cheers.